Okay, hello everyone. So we're here to make this garland. All right, there's a shirt we're working on, and then we require this garland to put on there. All right, some people, the shirt we're actually working on, a variation of the shirt, the actual shirt had a flower, right, and then had leaves around it, but we chose to work a garland. All right, and so this is what that garland looks like. So I'm gonna walk you through how we made this garland to look this way. All right, so that just in case you choose that you want to work yours as a garland, you can do the same. So I'm going to be using the same yarn color, right? I hope this is clear enough. If you're new here, please go and subscribe so that you do not miss out on all the wonderful crochet things that we bring you every week. All right, so essentially we're working leaves. All right, so it's gonna be leaves attached to a branch, a windy branch. All right, that's what it is really. Okay, so this leaf altogether has 11. We're going to be using 11 stitches for it. So I'm going to be working my first 11 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then the extra one. Now you're about to find out why I'm working 11 stitches. So the very first stitch, right, from the second stitch from the hook, I'm going to be slip stitching, and then the next 2 stitches I'm going to be inserting single crochet stitches. The next 2 stitches I'm going to be inserting half double crochet stitches. The next stitch I'm going to be inserting 3 double crochet stitches. So 1 2 and 3. The next 2 stitches, we're still working on one side of the leaf. The next 2 stitches has half double crochet stitches, so I'm doing that right now. And then the next 2 stitches I have single crochet stitches, right, and then in the last stitch I have that slip stitch. You can see I have just 1 stitch left, so I'm going to be slip stitching into that. Okay, I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side. So a slip stitch into that first stitch right there. Okay, yep, that's it. Okay, right, and then single crochet stitch into the next 2 stitches, right, half double crochet stitches into the next 2 stitches, 3 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. This is like the middle stitch, so that's where the longest stitches are. Now you can choose to work yours and include the treble stitch, just plan your work before you start it, and then go to town. Your leaf could look a lot rounder than mine. I wanted longer leaves, so next 2 stitches contains my half double crochet stitches. You have to be careful because to separate the stitches properly. My next 2 stitches has the single crochet stitches, and then finally we come up on the slip stitch. So slip stitch in there, chain 1. Now I'm going to slip stitch all the way, or surface stitch as you may want to call it, all the way back to the beginning of this leaf, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So along that center right there, I am slip stitching in, and also somewhat creating a vein. Leaves have veins, so yeah, creating a main vein on the leaf. Okay, the leaf is really small, so you gotta be careful so you don't so slip stitch all the way, slip stitch all the way, slip stitch all the way to the beginning. So I need to slip stitch into this top right here. So that is done, right? And then I'm gonna create my the branch, okay, because I'm supposed to work up a lot more leaves. So that's the end of leaf 1. So I work up the branch is going to take 10 chains, so 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's the branch. So I'm going to make room to work another pair of leaves. So yeah, I've done the branch. So now the actual leaf took 11, so I'm going to work another 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I'm going to be doing the same thing I did to this leaf. So my extra stitch, and then from the second stitch from my hook into the second stitch from my hook, I'm going to slip stitch into that one, and then just the same way I worked the first leaf, 2 single crochet stitches, next 2 half double crochet stitches, next stitch 3 double crochet stitches, 1 2 and 3, next 2 stitches half double crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches, next 2 stitches single crochet stitches, and then the final slip stitch into the next stitch. You still have your branch right there. So you turn over to the other side, slip stitch first, then work your 2 single crochet stitches, 2 single crochet stitches, right? Then next 2 half double crochet stitches, next stitch is 3 double crochet stitches, 1 2 and 3, next stitch or next 2 stitches half double crochet stitches, so half and half. So like I said, you be careful so that you pick the right stitch, then single crochet in there, my final single crochet right there, and then that last slip stitch to end this to complete rather the leaf. Okay, get into that tip right there and then chain, and then walk a surface slip stitch all the way back. So I'm gonna slip stitch all the way back. You meet me at the end. So here we are at the end of the leaf 2, right? The final slip stitch goes in there, and then I'm gonna chain out 11 from the same spot. 6, I think, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and plus my extra chain. I'm going to be working another leaf right in here, right? And then by the time I'm done with that leaf, I'm going to have to work out a branch. So you work your leaf the same way I have shown you how, and then when we get back here, I'll let you know what we did next. All right, so we're slip stitching up our second leaf to complete this pair right here. So that final slip stitch right there. Okay, so I'm going to attach it first of all to this to its pair, so that 2 of them are joined together, right? So this is what this looks like currently. All right, then I'm going to walk up another stem as usual, 10 first, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then the 11 stitches required for the first leaf, and then you walk down and keep on working. So this is, and it keep going. So depending on the length that you want, or if you want to just stop here, that's also left for you. So you can place this on whatever you want to place it on, right? And then design is done, garland done. So that's it.